In the heart of any successful organization, there's a commitment to something far more valuable than profits, employee well-being. So today we're going to explore how this commitment sets apart great workplaces. Committing to employees' well-being is not just an act of kindness, it's a strategy for success. Let's delve into how this commitment can be a game changer for your organization. So here are the key points to consider. Enhanced employee satisfaction and retention, reduced absenteeism and increased productivity, fostered loyalty and a positive workplace culture, attracting top talent and staying competitive in the market, a demonstrated commitment to corporate social responsibility. Showcasing commitment to employees' well-being is not just a good gesture, it's that commitment to the health and happiness of your team. It's about knowing that your employees are not just assets, but the core of your organization's success. Showcasing commitment to employees' well-being is not just a trend, it's a path to a thriving and prosperous future. Because in your workplace, a commitment to employee well-being is a commitment to excellence.